Hello guys! So welcome to our vlog. This is Aliyah S. Lorenzo. And now, for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gawin ang splits. So, if you want to learn how to do the splits, then keep on watching and let's get started doing it. Before natin gawin yung splits, we have to do the stretching first. So please follow the stretches na ipapakita ko sa inyo. Please follow it para hindi masira ang ating mga tissues and muscles within our legs. So first is, let's go in this position and count for 32 seconds each stretches or each stretching routine na gagawin natin. So ito na yung first. Let's count. Of course, we have to lean forward. Ito. Tapos count 32 seconds. Okay. So tapos na yung 32 seconds natin. And now, ang number 2 stretching natin. I-straight nyo and gawin itong stretching. So yun lang yung mga important na stretching routine na dapat natin gawin kapag gagawin natin yung split. Guys, so tapos na natin gawin yung mga stretching routine for our legs on how to do the split. So ngayon, yung first na easy way on how to do the split is ito. All you have to do is to spread out your legs, parang straddle, kahit hindi straight okay lang. Kasi atin hindi naman kasi straight. So all you have to do is gawin ito, of course, yun na nga. Then put your hands here and lift up your body. Then go into side. Tapos, ito i-move nyo para ma-straight. Then, yung ito. Ayun na. Straight. Then, sa kabila naman. Lift again your body. Ganito. Tapos, there. So now, so yun yung first. So, second. Again. So, ganun lang din yung gagawin natin sa kabilang side. Pero hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo kasi pareho lang naman yung strategy and procedure kung paano gawin yung way na ganito para gawin natin yung split. So, ito naman yung third way. Okay, so first, ang gagawin natin is hold your feet here. Then, lean forward and do the split. I-straight nyo. Okay, yun. Yung fourth thing naman is ito. All you have to do is to find a wall. Parang ganito. Then, for our fifth strategy or way, ang gawin is ganito. So, ganun lang. Or, guys, so ngayon, tapos na natin gawin yung 5 ways on how to do the splits and I hope na nakatulong ako sa inyo para ma-improve yung splits nyo. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye!